In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language settings in Salesforce. Whether you're working in an international environment or simply prefer to use Salesforce in a different language, adjusting these settings is easy and can be done in just a few minutes. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, make sure you're logged into your Salesforce account. Once you're in, shift your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see your profile icon or avatar. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu that holds various options related to your account settings. Among these options, you'll want to select Settings. By clicking Settings, you'll be taken to the Settings page. This is the hub where you can customize a range of personal preferences to tailor your Salesforce experience. As you navigate through this page, look for the option labeled Language and Time Zone. Once you spot this section, click on it to delve into the language-specific settings. In this section, you'll find a drop-down menu specifically for language selection. Clicking this drop-down will present you with a list of languages to choose from. Take a moment to scroll through these options. This is an important step, as selecting the wrong language might make it difficult to revert back if you are unfamiliar with that language. So make sure you pick the language that suits your needs best, because this selection will change the language of the entire interface. After choosing your desired language, you must not forget a crucial step: saving your changes. Locate the Save button on the page and click it. This action is pivotal as it ensures that the choices you've made are applied to your account. Without saving, any selections you've made won't take effect. And there you have it. Your Salesforce interface should now display in the language you've selected. It's that simple. If you ever need to change your language settings again, you can easily repeat these steps. This feature is especially valuable for multilingual users who might need to switch between languages frequently. Remember, feeling comfortable with the language of your interface can greatly enhance your productivity and make navigating through Salesforce a more seamless experience. Thank you for watching, and I truly hope this guide helps you customize your Salesforce environment to better suit your linguistic preferences. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tips and tricks. See you next time.